Before starting this before going to starting this webinar, I would like to brief about a few words about our joint director Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasis and our executive director Major General Manoj Kumar Bindal. So before starting the webinar, I would like to say a few words about a joint director Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasista is presently the joint director of National Institute of Disaster Management. He was commissioned into the Army Ordnance Corps in September 2000. Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vajisa is supply chain management professional with over 20 years of experience in managing the entire government of supply chain grid. The officer has excelled academically with master degree in management apart from logistic management courses with a specialization in ammunition and other warlike stores. The officer has commanded on ordnance units of prestigious strike corps of Indian Army and have exposure on various command and staff duties in all type of operations and terrain. I request to Joint Director Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra, please open this webinar, sir.
Thank you very much, each and every participant who have joined us today to learn about the India Disaster Resource Network. Since Arunachal Pradesh state is a state wherein we are prone to various types of disasters and we are prone to various types of emergencies. So in order to give a impetus to this disaster management and the various aspects which NIDM is dealing, one of the most important facets which NIDM is dealing is the IDRN. It is the India Disaster Resource Network. And in order to give a live online demonstration on the website or the portal which we have newly developed in-house with Balaji and Dharmender, we are meeting today for this virtual one-day orientation program. Due to the COVID situation, we are not meeting face-to-face, so we are going online. As on date, as we sit today, we have interacted with 20 states and union territories in the past, and you are the 21st state as we sit together today to discuss about the IDRN portal. And I would request everybody to give in suggestions, their precious suggestions there. They will give us they will give us more impetus to this IDRN network, this resource network, so that we are able to generate maximum database, and that database can be included in the times of disasters. This is an inventory management control package, and in this we have resources in terms of critical equipment and critical basically the human resources which are required during the disasters. This IDRN portal excuse me, this IDRN portal was started in 2000. I will give a basic presentation on this IDRN portal before we start the formal training program. In the, as we say, the motto of the inventory management is to provide the right inventory, the right equipment at the right time at the right place. So at the times of disasters, it will be these critical items and these critical human resources would help us in saving many lives at the times of the disaster in the place of the disaster. So to see where the inventory is lying and what kind of inventory is available. So the district administration, whoever is feeding the data, so that is of the utmost importance that the data fed should always be we should update it very frequently so that the data is made available to the responders or to the relief forces at the time of requirement. A recent example of the Kerala flood has shown us that how this inventory management has been so successful. They have got own control management software out of taking data from our IDRN portal. So to start with today's proceedings, I would the today's proceeding would go in, my agenda would go in such a way that I would present and then I would request Balaji to take you live on this particular network which we want, which we are setting today for training. With this, I would request that everyone should give a back on this particular idea and suggestions on the type of inventory and the type of resources would go in a long way of making it more user friendly and more I'll give the basics on the IDRN portal, though everyone is present here knows about the IDRN portal and how the IDRN portal functions. So to start with, this NIDM has been given responsibility by the Ministry of Home Affairs to manage this particular portal. However, the major responsibility of management or per se the data feed in this particular portal is the responsibility of the uh, district authorities sitting here. So, this India Disaster Resource Network is the name of this network. Under NIDM, we are operating this network. Next, Balaji, next, please. As we all know, and today as we are sitting with the varied geoclimatic and other conditions which India as a country has, we have various geographical conditions and the climatic conditions which makes us prone to various types of hazards, that is earthquakes, cyclones, landslides, tsunami, etc. One of the major challenges were the disaster professionals or the managers at the ground level or the district level were facing, that the resources available were not known to the person who is actually who wants to see this particular portal. I think today there is a lot of network issue. Balaji. So I hope I am audible, Balaji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, the Ministry of Home Affairs in the year 2004, with the Government of India and UNDP, United Nations Development Program, and under disaster risk management, they have formulated a plan wherein entire resources would be. Balaji,
Yes, sir.
Balaji, I will take this presentation after some time. You may go online because my computer is not responding.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You may please carry on,
I will
sir. I
take
will
on
take care.
this presentation later. Later, I'll just come in. I'm so sorry. This computer is not moving at all. I'll just change
Okay,
the
sir.
computer and come back again. You start with the
Okay.
online. You go online and then start telling about the portal. I will come back again.
Sure,
I'll
sure,
take
sure,
the
sure.
presentation later on.
Sure. Thank you. Myself Balaji, National Institute of Disaster Management, New Delhi headquarters. So, may I know who is the senior person from the Arunachal Pradesh attending this webinar, sir? From state level, is there any senior officials?
I'm
Is anyone
Christine,
from?
I'm Christine Wonglet, Deputy Director, Disaster Management.
Yes, madam. Your name, madam?
Christine Wonglet.
Yeah, madam. Ma'am, we may open the. Shall I go for live demonstration of this portal?
Sure, please go ahead.
Ma'am, if possible, can you please give me few words so that we can open this webinar?
Thank you so much, NIDM, for organizing this webinar so that we can all learn what IDRN is all about and how to go about uploading our data in a correct manner. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for your confirmation, Deputy Director, Madam, from the Disaster Management Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Myself, Balaji. It's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you on behalf of the National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs. So before going to the live, I would like to say a few words about how this portal is how this portal we have developed in the new technology. I hope you all might aware this exists compared to the existing portal. In the new portal, we have done so many changes. We have simplified very user friendly, and as well as we have simplified the each and every module in the very user friendly and simple manner. The latest with the latest technology. So this is the 14th webinar out of proposed, which we have proposed 36 states UTs of India. So this is the 20. We are so Arunachal Pradesh. This is the 20th states of India, including Union Territory of Union Territory. Okay, I hope you all can able visit. I hope you all can able to see my screen. Dharmender, can you please tell me is my screen is visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes, yes. Okay. Please unmute. Okay. Okay. This is the homepage of the IDRN portal. I hope you all aware. I hope you all aware. IDRN portal URL has been migrated. idrn.nadm.gov.in. This is the new portal which we have developed recently. Launched on June 1, 2020. This is the homepage of this portal. So here you can see the what are the menus available, what are the modules available. So before going to this, explain this each and every module, I request to all the district and state officials who are all attending this webinar, please carefully watch this session. It's most important. This is the most important topic where we are lagging the problem of updating this resource inventory in the IDRN portal. So I'll go to explain each and every module. If you have any doubt or any clarification suggestion after this session, I will give you I will give separate time to each and every district, each and concerned person. So that time you may please unmute your mic and you may please ask whatever you have the questions from your end. You have any complaint or you have any suggestion, you have any feedback, you can register with us. There is no problem. So if you have any problem with the internet connection, so we are telecasting this event in YouTube live channel. I hope you all see in the chat box. I have pasted one URL of YouTube link. So if there is any disconnection or internet connectivity issue with your computer or your area and your system, you may please kindly connect with this YouTube link and you may please watch at any time. So I'll going to explain each and every one. This is the homepage of this new IDRN portal. Here you can see the total number of states and UTs. There are 36 state UTs has been registered with us from the Andaman Nicobar to West Bengal. So the second would be the total number of districts. So there are 740 districts has been found pan India. Out of 740 districts, 717 district has been registered with this. Here you can see the difference of this black. Here we can see the list of states name and district name. What are the states and district has been registered? See the Andaman Nicobar and Andaman Nicobar Island Nicobar district has been registered. Come to we'll come to the Arunachal Pradesh state. What are the state and what are the district has been registered? Not registered. You will come to know. You will come to know from the Arunachal Pradesh. From the Arunachal Pradesh. Changing, Lohit, East Shang, East coming. So these are the district has been registered with us. Here you can see the red color and the red color and the black color. The difference between the red color and the black color. Red color indicates these are the district has not yet been registered with us as on date. So here you can see the Arunachal Pradesh from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Kamli district, Paki Kizang district, Lipa Reda district, Sri Yomi district, Xiang district, Lower Xiang district, Kiradadi district, Itanagar. So these are the district has not yet been registered. So I request to all the district official who is attending this webinar from the district of Kamli, Paki, Kizang, Lipa Reda, Sri Yomi, Xiang, Lower Xiang, Kiradadi, Itanagar. I request to all district officers, please get in touch with IDRN administrator. You may please send an email request to admin.idrn@nic.in at any time, or else you may please contact me through mobile also 89400 22606. Definitely, we will be tell you the procedure for the registration. So I request is a humble request from the district who is not registered from with us from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. So likewise, you can see the pan India from up to West Bengal. What are the state and the district has not yet been registered and not registered is registered with us. So next you can see the total number of items. There are 289 items we have already enabled in the new IDRN portal. Apart from this 289 item, you can't enter or you can't update any of this item in this IDRN portal. So once if you click, you can able to see the list of items which we have already enabled in the new IDRN portal. These are the items you can only update or modify or delete in this portal. Apart from this, you can't enter or you can't update any of this item in this portal. If you have any more suggestion, any further additional item from your side, I hope all the district official who is dealing with the there may be a chance there may be a chance from the district officials. There are many disasters you might be you might be seen it out, you might be responded as a first responder. So there may be a chance for whatever the updated items are new suggested items. You can please send a letter to send a letter to NADM. So or else you may please kindly write email to admin.idrn@nic.in. Definitely we have the high level committee from the National Institute of Disaster Management, the National Disaster Management Authority, Ministry of Home Affairs will examine your item. If it's really helpful during this disaster, definitely we will be adding those inventory items into this IDRN portal. Here you can see the list of 289 items from the gas cutter to cold cutter. So there are 15 page you can see. There are 15 page you can see from the paging wise. So each and every item we have classified under the category of 36 category. 36 category. For example, rescue boat. Under the rescue boat, what are the item has been included? Motor boats, motor launch, country boats. So under the skilled human resource, we have classified many resource items like driver team, search and rescue team, and physician and doctors and drivers, LMV light motor vehicle licensed drivers and HMV drivers. There are many types which we have already enabled. So you no need to check each and every page. In this new portal will give you the very simplified manner. So for example, I want to search mask. Once if you click M alphabet, it will automatically list out all the M alphabet inventory items in the drop down. So no need to check each and every page. See, for example, I have typed M. So here you can see the motor boats, motor launch, MRI, so mechanical ventilator, mobile OT unit, and a minibus and a metadata mask. So for example, I want to search mask. So once if you type mask alphabet, it will automatically come to know whether this inventory item is available with this IDRN portal or not. So I am clicking mask. So I am searching. So here you can see the mask is available under the category of medical supplies. The activities is health service. I do health service. So likewise, whatever the item you are convenient way, whatever item, if you want to search, you can type. You can type. For example, I'm going to search. See why I'm for this particular webinar. So I'm going to give each and small things also in very detailed manner. Why? Because from the state of Arunachal Pradesh, as I can see the report from the monthly report, from the quarterly report, from the half-yearly report, from the yearly report. So there are so many low level so many low level updation from the all the district and the states of Arunachal Pradesh. So if you have any concern, query or doubt, you may after my session you may please unmute your mic. I will give you the time to interaction with us with us. So the next would be data status report. Here you can see the monthly wise report and yearly wise report. What are the state and district has been done the updation from the month from the last 1 month. Here we are updating monthly wise report. So once the year end, we are putting a year end report also. Here you can see the annexure one state wise updation status report of last 3 months and 1 month. See, for example, see the Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh has done only 19 records from the last 1 year. From the 7 record only last 1 month. So before last 1 month, this is the August report. From the September report, we are in the process of generating. So definitely within this week, we will be sending you the September month report as well as the last 3 month report to all the district concerned district authorities, as well as we will upload that all the last 3 months report, 1 month report into this in this IDR portal also. Here you can see the next PDF annexure 2. For example, the Arunachal Pradesh, these are the districts, the Anoch and Anjau, Changlong, Tipang Valley, East Kamang, East Siang, Itanagar, Kamli, Kiradadi. Here you can see the count. There are 0 record has been updated. There is no updation from this all the districts. So it is not meant to the monitor. It is not meant by we are monitor. We are pointing out in the district and states. It's a humble request from National Institute of Disaster Management on behalf of the government of India. So the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister also is insisting and enforcing to update this IDR portal on time to time. So that is the reason we are conducting this webinar on each and every state ways. We want to provide this particular IDR program and the quality and reachable manner to all the states across this country. So next would be resource about IDRN. So about IDRN, I hope you all know how it's functioning, what are the functions, and how what are the responsibility roles and responsibility of state level authority and the district level authority. So the next would be resource inventory. So the resource inventory for easy understanding, for easy accessing this countrywide query. Here we are given this separate dedicated page. So whatever the data has been done from the updation from the district and state, here you can see the report of the countrywide query for resource inventory. For example, I am selecting Arunachal Pradesh. So for example, if you want to search whatever the item has been available with all the district, you can select all the district. If you want to select a particular district, you can select particular district. If you want to select multiple district, you can select multiple district as well. If you want to search any district, for example, I want to search Siang district. So if you want to search, you can type alphabet SI. So it will automatically list out. That is the difference of compared to the existing portal to the new portal. So I am selecting Siang district. So now I am selecting Siang district. For live demonstration, I am going to select all the districts of all the district of under the Arunachal Pradesh state. So next would be category. So I hope you all aware. Just now I have told there are 289 items which we have already enabled in this new IDRN portal. So out of that 289 items, we have classified three categories. The one is equipment, another one is human resource, another one is medical supplies. So what the items related to the equipments, it comes under the equipment category. Whatever the human resources items, for example, let's take a physician, doctor, driver, and compounder. Whatever the human resources, rescue responder, first responder, or rescue team, and swimmer, whatever the human related items, that comes under the category of human resource. that this medical supply, whatever the medical related equipments, vaccines, mask, gloves, whatever the medical related item, it comes under the medical supplies category. So for the demonstration, I'm going to select equipment. So I'm going to select equipment. So for I'm going to select equipment. Yes, sorry for the disturbance. As I can see, there is one person has requested how to create as user credential provided for Diabang Valley district. Sir, yeah, I requested you to please kindly send email to admin.idr.nac.in. Definitely, we will share with you the user ID password. Sorry for the interruption. We'll come back all your doubts in the after finishing out my live demonstration. So let's concentrate on this live demonstration. For the demo, I'm going to select all the items. If you want to select particular gas cutter, cold cutter, you can select whatever the item. See here, you can see the list of all the equipment whatever we have enabled in the IDRN portal. You can see in the list where is see the torch, electric torch is available, pump is available, still coke is available, knife is slave is available, door breaker is available, tour school is available, and panchayat bhavan is available. Likewise, all the inventory item, it will automatically list out whatever you have selected in the category. So for example, live for demo, I am going to select all the district. So find result. So once if you given the once if you submitted your result on the country-wide query inventory, so here you can see the state Arunachal Pradesh, district trap, and item VSAT, and another one district Namsai PH tester camera digital. The quantity is available, PH tester one quantity is available, item description is one PH meter. So this the department public health engineer and water supply department. So department address PH and WS division Manasi Namsi. See here you can see the contact number and email ID. So there is no contact number and email ID in this particular district, this department. I request to the concerned district official who is dealing with this IDRN portal from the district of Namsi. Please kindly update the concerned department, concerned district contact person number as well as the email ID. The last updation has been done for 11/2019. So likewise, you can see all the items, whatever the item has been updated from the state of Arunachal Pradesh and the district Namsi. See, monitor for contamination, searchlight, water filter, reservoir tank, reservoir treatment tank. So one unit is available. So department name public health engineering and water supply. So this is the general of this general purpose of this such countrywide query for resource inventory. So the next would be item details. I hope you all aware. Just now I have explained this functionality. The next should be user manual. So for better understanding, for easy accessing this resource inventory, we given the PDF format. So this is the PDF which we have, these are the items which we have already enabled in the IDRN portal. So this is the complete 289 items here you can see. So this is the PDF format. So you may please send it to your line department. 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 So so I'll come back to the forms. What are the forms has been available with us? So the next would be data collection format. See here you can see the data collection format: form 1, form 2A, form 2B, form 2C. So I hope you all aware, since this portal can able to update online in online. So what is the exact purpose of this form? it's nothing big. No need to worry about this form. See, in each and every district collector, district magistrate is the responsible for this portal updation. So on behalf of district collector, district magistrate, there are one nodal officer from each and every district of the district disaster management authority. So they are the responsibility person. They have to circulate this form to all the line department. Whatever the line department, it comes under the control of the district authority. So now you can circulate this form to even if private industry also, and gum and PSU industry also. PSU industry also. So Form 1 is generally the purpose of what is the department details, what is the agency detail. It could be a private, it could be a PSU, it could be a government. So according to the department, they have to fill it out this, and they have to fill it out. They have to send it back to the district headquarters. District headquarters, there may be a one nodal officer. He is the responsible updating this all information into the IDRN portal. Now come back to the Form 2A, Form 2B, Form 2C. What is the purpose of this Form 2A? Form 2A is simple. See, Form 2A, Form 2C is almost all the forms is similar. All the forms has been similar. So there is nothing difference between this each and every form. For better understanding, for easy identifying these resources for category wise, we have given the we have classified Form 2A is equipment related items only. Form 2B is skilled human resource items only. Form 2C is critical supplies related items only. That's it. So now I will going to log in. Now I will going to log in user. So now I hope all the district official have the user ID password for your district. So so if you don't have the user ID password, please kindly immediately in the end of the today after this webinar also, you may please kindly send email to admin.idr@nac.in. We have the user ID, dedicated user ID password for Pan India. Out of 717 district, out of 740 districts, 717 district has been registered with this. We have the 717 district user ID password with our database. So if you don't have the user ID password, please kindly email me idr@nac.in. So for live demonstration, I'm going to log in through my dummy user. So this is the dashboard page. This is the dashboard page. Once if you log in, once if you log in all the district user, you can easily you will get like this dashboard. Here you can see the edit DCDM detail. So this is the DCDM detail. Whoever present district collector, district magistrate, please kindly update the correct DC name, correct DC district collectorate office address, as well as the update mobile number, telephone number, email ID. So this is the district disaster nodal person. There may be a one person from each and every district disaster management authority nodal officer. He is the responsible for this. He is the responsible of this nodal officer of this district management disaster management nodal person name from the district level. So when we are trying to connect many district is whatever the telephone number you are mentioning, whatever mobile number you are mentioning here, here we are unable to contact. So the number is most of the time not reachable, not reachable, and mobile is not functioning. So there are so many issues with this coordination of this all the district pan India. So I request to all district officials who is dealing with this portal. So kindly please get it up, make correct entry. So the next should be item code. For better understanding, we given this paging for each and every page, 289 item inside the login also. Here you can easily identify. So next should be data status report. We are working in it. Soon we will be adding this. Soon we will be adding this option. option. So there are so many district and state as requested. We want to download in the Excel format, CSV format, Excel format and CSV format. So as per we are working on it. So as per the direction of the district officer and the state officials, uh, uh, as per the direction of district and state officer, we will be adding that functionality, into this portal. The next would be district database. District database. Here you can see the district database. For live demonstration, we are given the state name Delhi and district name New Delhi. Record uploaded. Record uploaded 634 records. Record uploaded 634 records. The number of item identified 197 items has been identified. So what is the difference between this record uploaded and the number of item identified? Number of item identified from the 2016 to till date, 634 record has been updated. Whatever it may be, a fresh record, it may be a modified record. So number of item identified 197. 197 is I hope you all aware there are 289 items has been enabled in the item, but out of the 289 items, 197 item has been added, found in this IDRN portal. So next would be user manual for easy understanding. We are given this functional. We are given this PDF for user manual. Next would be training video. We are in the process of uploading more training video. Whatever new changes and deployment we are doing, we will be adding the forms. Forms. There are 4 forms. The data collection format we are planning to we have enabled for easy understanding. For notification, we are working on it. Whatever the any notification related, we will be letting you know. So the next would be most important thing. Important thing. Okay, next would be most important thing: how to register new department, how to add new inventory, how to modify existing data, how to modify existing department, So I'm going to explain this core module. I request to all the district officials, please kindly carefully watch this session. So add record, I'm going to click add record. Here you can see the add record. This is, for example, any government organization, any private organization or any PSU organization, if first time updating in your district, under your district. So first time registering the register this department in your district. Just 2 minutes. Our joint director is speaking. Just 2 minutes, sir. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, our executive director is with the meeting with the Prime Minister office, Major General Manoj Kumar Bindal. So that's the reason he is unable to attend this meeting. And the joint director also is in one important meeting. And also some technical issues. So that is the reason he is unable to join. But I just now have confirmed with him. So he will be going to join maybe next 20 after 20 to 25 minutes. So the meanwhile, I'll complete my live demonstration. So let's all come to the point. So please carefully listen my session. So what the difference between the add record and the modify? Difference between the add record and modify record? Difference between the add record and modify record? If the department already registered. So if the department is already registered, you if the department already say, you may click modify record. You may click modify record. Here you can see the list of registered department, whatever it may be, government, it may be private, it may be PSU unit. Here you can see the list of registered department. So no need to register each and every time. No need to register each and every time. If the department is freshly going to register, you have to click add record. For example, for live, so I'm going to, for example, I'm going to register one fresh department under this New Delhi district, So for example, Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. This is for live, this is for dummy demonstration. That is why I given Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. So the department address, whatever the exact address, you may please kindly mention the exact address. For demonstration, I given just Arunachal Pradesh, but we are expecting each and every district officer, please kindly mention the exact detailed address of this portal. The detailed address of this department. So the contact person, whoever the responsible of this inventory item, you may please mention as per the nodal person from the private limited. So I am going to mention Venkatesh. So Venkatesh here, he is the responsible of this private limited nodal person. So whatever the designation, you may please mention the contact person designation manager. So the address, whatever the address, whatever the person address would be also the same for the department address. You correctly mention the department person address. The pin code would be whatever the exact pin code, you may please mention the pin code, correct pin code. The mobile number, whatever the exact mobile number, you may please mention the exact mobile number 6405. So the telephone number, whatever the exact telephone number, please mention 23438289. So mention the exact telephone number. So the email ID would be whatever the email ID, you may please mention the email ID. I mentioned venkatputhiran@gmail.com. So now this is the department Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. So we are going to register. So the next most important thing, source. So most of the district and state level officials are making the mistake of while adding this department. See, since this is all we know, private limited, it's a private industry, we have to select as per the department industry type. See, private, we have to select private. If it is a private, we have to select private. If it is a government, we have to select government. If it is a PSU unit, we have to select PSU unit. So when you are mistakenly selecting government, when we are extracting the report at the state in the industry wise, government wise, and PSU wise, private wise, we are getting the false report. So I request all the district officers who is dealing with this IDRN portal, who is entering the data into this IDRN portal, the desk person or the data entry operator, please carefully select this option while registering this department. See, the problem is, once we are registered this department, there is no chance the people might be not aware, they have to change. But we have the option for changing this source to private to government to PSU at any time. But there are none of the district officials from the pan India is once again from the state level, from the Madam Yogam Anko Arunachal Pradesh, she is asking YouTube link. So I'm going to share the YouTube link to his WhatsApp. She is unable to join this meeting. She is the one coordinating this program, but she is unable to join this meeting. Okay, let's find come to the point. So now I'm going to submit. So while submitting for details saved successfully, it means this department we have registered in this portal under your district. Whatever the user ID password through login, you are logging through, under the district, this department has been registered. Now once if you register, you will get two type of options. One, click here to add inventory record. Another one, modify update contact detail. So you click here to add inventory record. Once if you click here to add inventory record, here you can see that this is the most important thing. You have to update the resource inventory item. You have to update the resource inventory item into this portal. into this portal into this portal. I hope you all aware. See, I hope you all aware now. A user manual. See, there are 289 items which we have already enabled. This 289 item only you can update. You can update or you can add in this department, in this portal. Apart from this, you can't enter any data. You can't enter any new additional item. For example, life buy and life jacket. I want to update life jacket. See, same. Here also we are given very user friendly. Once if you type L, it will automatically list out all inventory item which is L alphabet. See, here you can see lifting tackle, light mast, life buy, and life jacket, lab technician, light ambulance van, and LEL meter, loader, labor. So whatever inventory resource you have, as per the line department, form submission, you may please update. For example, I'm going to update life jacket. So unit, whatever the unit, obviously this will be a number. So quantity, I have 100 quantity. So location, Arunachal Pradesh, AP. I am mentioning AP, Arunachal Pradesh. So for example, if there is any type of this life jacket, you can mention in the description. But there may be a chance for there are different types, sea life jacket or any type air life jacket, whatever the life jacket types you can mention. Otherwise, if you have any concern contact person for this life jacket, you can mention in the description. So I'm going to mention sea life jacket. I don't know whether this type of life jacket is available or not, but for just a demonstration, for better understanding for you all district official, I am just mentioned sea life jacket. So submit. Sorry, internet connection disconnected. IDRN admin. I hope you all aware. I registered this department, Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. So no need to click add record. So I'm going to select modify record. So once if you click modify record, here you can see the Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. Due to my internet connectivity, I lost that page. So no need to worry about anything. See, here you can see the add item. Here you can see, once if you click add item, it will automatically comes this updation. For example, I'm going to update next one CT scan. So I'm typing C. So CT scan number and quantity 100 quantity, location Arunachal Pradesh, item skill and MRI CT scan. Submit. So this particular item has been added in this department. So I want to add more item. No need to worry. You have to just, it will automatically redirect. You can just again click any of the items name, whatever you want to add. For example, I want to update a heavy truck number, unit number, quantity 50 quantity is available with this particular department. Location Arunachal Pradesh. But I request all the distributors, please kindly mention the exact location of this heavy truck where it is available. So I request to all district officers, please kindly mute your mic while demonstration, so there will be no disturbance. It's humble request from Nation Institute of Disaster Management. Okay, let's come to the point. So item location, we have to mention exact location. So don't mention like APR or Arunachal Pradesh, just pointing out of the district name. It's not like that. For live demonstration, I just given. I don't know any exact location of the Arunachal Pradesh. That's why I given AP. Arunachal Pradesh. So item description, whatever the heavy truck, is there any type? Is there any type you can mention? So submit. So I hope you all aware there are 2 items has been added in this particular privated industry. In this particular, now you want to see, click modify record. See the Arunachal Pradesh Privated Limited, submit. Here you can see the department name Arunachal Pradesh Privated Limited, department is Arunachal Pradesh, contact number and contact telephone number is available. If you want to modify, you can modify at any time. You can modify at any time. See, for example, contact person changed. For example, Balaji is current contact person for this particular industry. The designation also changed. General manager. So modify and update content. So it is modified. It is modified. It is modified. So the next would be, if you want to delete this department, for example, after 10 days or after 15 days, after 10 days or after 1 month or after 3 months, this department don't have any of the inventory item. So obviously you have to delete. So for example, this Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited in private industry is not interested to give any of the resource inventory to this IDRN portal. So obviously you have to delete. If you want to delete, you can delete at any time. So are you sure want to delete? Yes, yes, want to delete. Just click yes. See, this department can't be deleted because item depend on this department. Why? Because I hope you all aware there are 2 items we have added under this department. See, item list. There are 2 items, CT scan, heavy truck. Before deleting this department, you have to firstly delete these particular items. For example, heavy truck. If you want to delete, you can delete. So likewise, you have to delete all these items, then only you can able to delete the department. So if you, for example, if you want to modify CT scan, after 10 days or after 1 month, see the quantity has been reduced 100. No, in the present situation, no 100 quantity, only 20 quantity. So you can update at any time. That is what this new IDRN portal is giving, more user friendly, more user friendly, more flexibility. It's very it's very simplified each and everything. So now if you, for example, now if you want to add more records, select the Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. So here you can click add item. For example, I want to add another one item, helmet. Hand gloves. I want to update a hand gloves. Unit is number. Quantity is 300. Location. Whatever the exact location, you may please mention. If there is any type of this hand gloves, you can mention the hand gloves type, whether it is a medical related or construction related or whatever, whether it is a sewage related hand glove or whatever type you can mention. I am just mentioning medical related hand gloves, related hand gloves, but the exact description you have to correctly feed it. I am submitting. See, the inventory data has been saved. So when you click modify record, select Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. Here you can see item list. See, 2 item hand gloves has been added. So this is what this new IDRN portal is giving, more user friendly, more easy way to update at any time, at any point of view, at any day, at anywhere. So now the department. So I hope you all aware now how to update, how to add new department, how to modify the department, how to delete the department, how to add the inventory item, how to modify the inventory item, how to delete the inventory item. I hope you all aware now. This is the most important core module of this IDRN portal. So now next would be query inventory. When you click query inventory department wise report, click the query inventory, department name. So I am selecting Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. I want to see the report of this particular department at any department. So I am selecting Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited. Under the Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited, hand gloves CT scan is available. See, there are 2 items. So likewise, whatever the department is registered with us, you can select. For example, I'm selecting Manipur Private Limited. So there are 2 items available. This is the report. How you can see the report from the district, from the department wise. So date wise report. You can see the date wise report also. For example, from the September 1 to October 7, from September 1 to October 7, what are the item has been added in this particular district? See here you can see the Arunachal Pradesh Private Limited updated 6th October. Hand gloves CT scan updated from the 20 number of quantity. Source is private. So likewise you can see the CT scan is updated. Punjab Private Limited 1 October 2020 is a private industry. So likewise, you can see the date-wise report also. So you can generate at any time. If you want to take printout, you just click print and you just take a printout. Just to take a printout. But we are in the process of down here. We are planning to put one option for downloading option for Excel sheet format and CSV format. Whatever the format is possible to download, we are planning to integrating that module also soon within this end of this month. So next would be district report. Here you can see the compiled report of the district, whatever the department updated, whatever the item has been included, added in this portal. Here you can see all the items under this department, under this district. That is what this district report is giving. So next should be show item detail. Here for easy understanding, for better easy understanding, easy accessing, easy identifying the ID inventory item. We are given the item details inside the login also. The same way, so item code, the items which you can add in the IDR portal. So next would be contact addition of addition. This is a contact us page. Whatever you have suggestion, you can please kindly write a message. Kindly write a message. For example, additional items. Additional item we want to add. We want to include following items on IDR portal. So I'm going to give what item, any of the item. For example, any inventory item. Okay, glass. So submit. Once if you submit, it will automatically we will receive the message. So log out. That's all this IDR portal. So the final would be contact us page. See here you can see the IDR administrator, our headquarter website, National Disaster Management, Minister Home Office, this is the address, and the A being 4th floor NDC 2 building and the Jaising Road, New Delhi. The help number, so number is available 84122. You can send me message, WhatsApp or call at any time, no problem. Even Saturday, Sunday or 24/7, we are responding your each and every mail. So my mail also admin.idr.nse.in. So that's all about this new IDRN portal. I hope you all might understand these functions and the functionalities of new IDRN portal. I really very thankful to all the each and every district who is attending this webinar from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. I really thanks to all the district officials or state officials who is attending this webinar. So now the time to ask question and answer, the feedback, if there is any now the time to discuss with each and everyone. So whatever the doubt you have, the doubt or doubt clarification or suggestion or feedback, you may please kindly unmute your mic from your end. Please raise your question or doubts from your side. Hello. A request to all the district officials, please kindly unmute your mic. Whatever you have doubt or suggestion, feedback or complaint, you may please kindly register with us. So I'm going to call one by one district. Anjav district. Is there any district officer from Anjav district? Is anyone from Anjav district? Is anyone district officer from Anjav district? Please kindly unmute your mic. Whatever you have suggestion or feedback, you may please kindly register with us. We will be responding for each and every questions. We are expecting very quality and fruitful suggestion feedback from your side. So as I can see, many of the district officials or participation name has been entered. Office name DC Longding, DDMO Changlang, DDMO Tawang. So after the webinar, we are providing a certificate also. Please kindly register your name and please kindly enter your name as well as your department name in the chat box. Sure, we will send you the certificate to your respective email ID. Please mention your name and please mention your name, email ID in the chat box. Okay, the next district, Changlang district. Is anyone from the Changlang district? Hello. Is anyone from Changlang district?
Yes, sir. We are typing the name, sir.
Yeah. Sir, do you have any suggestion or feedback, any doubt, any clarification?
So we don't have any doubts. No doubts.
Okay. Yes, in the one person has written in the chat box. Can we get PDF for today training session? Sure. We will send you. Please kindly WhatsApp me or send me email to admin.idr@nac.in. So we had disconnected for maximum session. And no need to worry. This session is available with in the YouTube channel. So go to the YouTube. I have already mentioned in the YouTube URL in the chat box as well. Otherwise, I will mention again the in the chat box YouTube URL. YouTube URL. Whenever you have the time, you may please kindly click this link and check it out. Watch through YouTube at any time. We have likewise done each and every state. If you are not understanding with the Arunachal Pradesh state, you can watch at any videos in the our official NIDM YouTube channel. Yeah, in the chat box I have mentioned the YouTube channel. If you want, you may please WhatsApp me. I am mentioning my number in the chat box 8940022606. If you want to mail, you can mail admin.idr@nac.in. So the next district Dipang Valley district. Is anyone from Dipang Valley district? Please, this is the right time to ask your question or whatever you have doubt or suggestion. You may please kindly unmute your mic and ask your question. So there is one in the chat box. One DDMO Bomdila has written one written. Sir, can you help me to recover our user ID and password of IDR? Sure, sir. We have all the user ID password, the entire pan India. So if you want user ID password, you may please kindly email me admin.idr@nac.in, admin.idr@nac.in, or else you can please WhatsApp me at any time. I will tell you the procedure for the user ID password, how to get. So is there any district official from East coming? Is there any pronunciation mistake? Please don't mistake me.
Nothing is sir. We got it. Yeah?
Is anyone from East coming?
Sir, I am from East. Nothing is specific.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes. So, is any doubt or any suggestion, any feedback, any clarification from your side? Sir, do you have any doubt, suggestion, feedback?
No, sir. For the point being, sir, I will have no, not any suggestion, not doubt. We will contact you later.
Sure. Thank you. Is anyone from East Siang district? East Siang? So we have 10 more minutes. So after maybe 10 minutes, our Joint Director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasistha will give you the detailed presentation about the idea and portal. Afterwards, we'll close this session. So I request all district officers, please stay online.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Lots of here I have. I think I'll have to call you and ask you because I have around like a day of then.
Acha, ma'am, what are your question? You may please.
How to update monthly because
Ma'am, your signal is Madam, your voice is not clear, madam. Your voice is not clear. Can you please call to my mobile number after this meeting? Can you please call? Can you please call to my mobile number? I will explain you.
Seems like
Yeah. You may please call to madam. Your voice is okay, but you breaking. Hello, Miss Emily, your voice is breaking. I request you to please kindly call back after some time to my number. Mobile number you can contact at any time. No issue. I'll ready to give any point of time explanation.
Yeah, the network.
Yes, I can understand. I can understand. Arunachal Pradesh state generally have the issue with the internet connectivity. Yes, thank you. Okay. From Sivolang, no queries as of now. Sorry for the poor connection. Okay. There are many district officials are written in the chat box. Sorry for the poor internet connection. Sorry for it's okay. No issue, sir. No issue. We have already uploaded this live show in the YouTube as well. The YouTube you may please watch at any time. We have done likewise 20 states. So we have 20 live demonstration this idea and portal videos in the YouTube channel in our NIDM YouTube channel, NIDM official YouTube channel. Okay, I hope there is no doubts from West Siang, West Kameng, Upper Supansri, Upper Siang district, Trap, Tawang district, Siang district.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
I am from Pakekesang district project of.
Yes.
And yes. Sir, my district is district. There is no internet connected till that, and we have facing lot of problem for such kind of training program.
Okay. There is no internet connectivity from your side.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
We are really sorry for that inconvenience that you are facing this issue with your area. I'll send you the YouTube link, sir. Don't worry. No need to worry about anything. Just to go to my site idrn.nidm.gov.in. There is one number 89422 in the chat box. Also, I have mentioned. Please WhatsApp me at any time. I will give you the YouTube link, exact YouTube link. You may please watch through any time. No issue.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, for that reason, sir, 1 minute, sir. For that reason, we cannot register your portal, sir.
Yes. No, sir. You can register with us anytime. No problem, sir. You can register. That's what I'm telling you now. You may please email me to admin.idr@nic.in. We will send you the use ready password for your district. Confirmed with my joint director, Lieutenant Colonel Dinesh Chandra Vasis. There is some urgent meeting with the department. So we'll wait for next to 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. So meanwhile, if you have any queries or any suggestion, feedback, you may please kindly unmute from your mic. I called all the district names, but most of the district is facing the problem with the internet connectivity. So no issue. If whatever you have suggestion or feedback, you may please mention the chat box as well. After finishing my session, we will go through your chat history, and also whatever your suggestion feedback will compile it on our report. As I can see, there are 3%, 4% sitting in front of the camera. So you may please mention your all of them name in this chat box. Sure, we will provide you the certificate for this online training program. Okay, I'm continuously trying to connect with my joint director. He's on. He's trying to connecting. Just to wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
Balaji?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sorry, I could not be part of the presentation because of the network issues. Please share the presentation. I'll complete the presentation, Balaji, in the next 5 minutes.
Yes.
I will not take more time. I see that many districts are out of network. So I was on this part of the presentation that in 2008, NIDM was given responsibility to manage the disasters, this IDRN portal per se. And since June 2008, our primary focus is to enable the decision makers to access equipment and human resources required to combat any emergency situation. Next, please. Next. So this is the infrastructure of the disaster management under the NIC. We are it is NIC. It is based on the internet. It is available online for all you to see the database, and the data entry is the line department's responsibility under the district headquarters. So it's a synchronized network under these in the on the platform of NIC. It's a secured platform, and I would also like to tell you, Balaji might have also already told you that this is quite prone to the cyber attacks and the cyber security. So we have given the leeway of entry to the district administration only because the password or the things because hackers from across the international inimical elements, they are trying to get into this network because they want to know how we are prepared for the disasters. Next, please. So the data collection, as Balaji might have given you an insight, Form 1, Form 2 Alpha, Form 2 Bravo, Form 2 Charlie. So he has already given you an insight, so I need not harp upon these data collection process, but I would request the district administration that the data feeding is the responsibility of the district administration. And I will show you the status of Arunachal Pradesh state per se in this, how do we figure out in this particular IDRN network, as is the mandate given by the Ministry of Home Affairs that we should all update our data quite frequently on this. Total, all the 36 states are they are on IDRN portal. All states and union territories, 717 districts out of 740 districts are part of this IDRN portal. 36 categories of items. Balaji have given you an insight with total 289 items. So these items are resources, manpower, human, and the critical items. Next. This is the status for our state, Arunachal Pradesh, as we are sitting for the district wise. If we see that the state is not quite healthy except for the Changlang district, all other districts need to catch on and they need to update their records and the database in this particular IDRN portal. I will request the district authority, the state administrative personnel or the officials who are sitting here today that you need to catch up on this data because this is the mandate as per the Ministry of Home Affairs, and we have been writing to the chief secretaries. So we thought that we will sit today and we'll discuss what is the problem and what are the issues, why the states and the districts are not entering the data in this. So any problem, anything, you can come back to us. We'll help you and we'll take you. We will remotely also will assist you, since these are the COVID times. We can't reach out to you physically, but whenever we are open up, we'll open up. I will personally come with my team to Arunachal Pradesh, and I will make sure that you understand on the all the aspects and the nitty-gritties of the IDRN portal. So I would request that you start filling up your data. Changlang district is doing very well. Only now the private and the PSUs in your state, basically, I'm talking about the PSUs. The government is the many defense organizations, the military establishments are there in your area of responsibility. Many private organizations might be there in your area of responsibility who are having these items which are listed in these 289 items. So I would request that the district administration should fill in their data in this. Next, please. So this is for other districts. So if I see West Siang 12 entries, Namsai is doing very well with 132 entries in past 1 year. Other districts like Papum Pare have started entering in past year, and they have entered this data in past 1 month. I would request everyone. So this is a mandate from the government of India. So I would request that everyone should start filling in their data, so that in case of disaster, this is readily available to you. In case we are not able to give you how do we to give you the insights of the portal, I would request that you may approach again district wise, so that we will remotely assist you on your computer how to enter the data. So we are here in NIDM to help you on all aspects, whatever capacity you feel that you require that help. We are there to assist you. And I would also harp upon here, the focus here is 24/7 support as done in any corporate world. So I'm from Army. My executive director is from Army. So we work on a 24/7 regime here. So you can approach us anytime for any help. So only request again I would like to make is to start entering the data. Next, please. This is the number of entries as we have gone. I have told you earlier also that this is our 21st state we are reaching out online, and see the number of entries which have jumped from 2019 to 2020. If there were 21,000 entries in 2019, we have jumped in this month of October 76,390 entries. So this is because we have reached out to people. We as NIDM is now started reaching out to the district administrations, the state administrations, and the state disaster management authority, and the person who is actually feeding the entries. So now the number of data, you can see it yourself that we have started gaining in. And I would request the state of Arunachal Pradesh and the district sitting here that you must start entering your data, and we will see a quantum jump in this graph. Next, please. This will surely help you in times of disasters. We are prone as a state, Arunachal Pradesh being hilly terrain. We are prone to various disasters, natural disasters as well, man-made disasters. So we should start knowing where is our inventory. So a process has started here where we have started with the geo-tagging and the geolocations, and we have developed an API wherein the our database from the NIDM can be utilized to make your own inventory control, inventory management packages. State of Kerala, they have developed their own. Other states like Odisha and Bihar, they have started developing their own inventory management systems. So I would request that you use this database. This is available on mobile also, both the Android and iOS system. So we are here to help you in all aspects. Only thing which we require from the state management is basically they should feed in the data here. Next, please. This is the dashboard which Balaji has already taken you on, and he has briefed you. Any other requirement, any other deliberations on this aspect, we are available on these contact details. So thank you very much. This was the presentation which I was to give in the start only, but due to the network issues, I am giving at the end. But however, I would thank you everyone from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. You are sitting so far off from us, but we could connect on this particular online WebEx meet. And this is a technology wherein we are sitting together here from Delhi and Arunachal Pradesh. Various districts are with us. So thank you very much for participating in this one-day virtual program. We would request for your feedback, suggestions, and any doubts or anything you still face on this particular IDRN portal. So thank you very much. I end my talk. Anything anyone has to say, we are open to the discussions.
Okay, sir. Almost I have finished all the discussion with all the districts, and we may end this meeting with the.
Okay. Thank you. I hope that we could give the insights of the particular portal which we wanted to tell you. And anything still you feel that you want to know on this portal, so we'll be glad to help you on all the aspects. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Jai Hind.
sir.
Jai Hind.